Oh, this is getting better. You can see some better skin coming through. And here is the rest of the leg. Let me pause this and try to get this other part of my leg. Oh, let me see if I can position this part so you can look at that better. So you can see that looks better also. So it is healing. Let me show you the other leg. So you can tell that's healing. This is a little swollen. You can tell right there that that's still swollen. This is red and this is still swollen here. You can tell that. So I wanted to show you the leg, I guess legs, and let you guys see how it's looking. And here's a little swelling also. Okay, so thanks for watching.